I'll tell you when you can come out.
Can you fall like in there?
Probably.
Where?
You're gonna break. You fall everywhere. You can fall right here.
Yeah. You have to be careful.
I'll tell you when. I'll tell you when. Okay, you're good. Be who you are for your pride.
Okay, you want to try? Yeah. Okay, foot here.
I must
And then like if that doesn't work, I'll just like how'd you go that way?
So I'm going to put my hand here so you'll slide.
This part scares me a little bit.
No, I've got you this
Have
way.
you got this, Sophie?
Go ahead.
Have you been this way before?
You got this, Sophie?
Go ahead.
Here you go, Sylvia.
That's it. Perfect.
That's my go.
Perfect.
Okay, I'm going.
Owie.
Hit my head. Ow. We're not come up. Oh.
Is anybody else going on the outside?
I'm not going outside.
Okay.
I think I'm gonna need help.
Up there, all right. Okay. Thank you. You spot it.
My legs are still dirty.
Did you want to get up?
Oh, no, you go.
I've been like horizontal to that wall and I'm not dirty.
Go. Doing good.
Where do I go?
See that hole right there in the wall? Put your foot in that hole.
This hole?
Yeah. And boost yourself up.
Let me look at my strength. Maybe.
Where's Alopecia?
No, look, here. Now what do I do?
Oh, come on up. Follow me.
You gotta keep going.
Where is Cyrus?
There you go.
Wait, I'm here.
All right. Hey guys, why don't you come back this way, son?
Oh, okay.
Don't say that ever again. I'm just next. I got a big rock for you guys. I'm coming, queens and kings.
Mavis right here.
Red, you have something in your hair.
I do.
It's red.
Oh, what's my hair done? Huh? No. I'll say she's my
It's
partner.
terrible being an old man. I get to do all those stupid things.
Oh my god, that was scary. I got some clay.
Okay, come on back here, guys.
Alopecia's my partner.
Come on back here. Come on back in. We're going to stay in this room for a minute.
Hurry up.
I can't.
Well,
Because I got to get over there.
Yeah, that's why I moved up here so you could.
oh,
Where's the harbor?
I'm right here.
She's over here.
I made it, guys.
Yay!
Oh, I love that play.
I'm here. I got some clay.
Yeah, it's just
Bud.
Who's clay? Who's clay?
Hey, bud.
How you feeling?
Let me
I'm gonna play.
I have more.
Thanks,
Let
Kaya.
me in this one.
Okay.
This is half of this is a raw spray. That's all raw.
Dark Hills, Texas.
Holy country songs.
I hate country. Cyrus made it. Right.
That's
One more.
That's what I got.
Back
I
off.
don't like country.
Guys, look, I made a pig spot.
That looks
Look, I
like
got clay.
my last pitch spot I made look like Gary with no shell. You know when he has the arms?
Stop.
Yeah, I have
Why
to.
did you say that? What?
That was just hilarious.
This spot is good though. Where'd y'all get clay from?
coming up.
You can't lie to your friends.
Stop. Where's the clay?
Why are you so mean, Gibby? This is why you're evil. This is why you're evil, Gibby.
It looks amazing.
You got your clay?
It's too hard. Why? Why do you draw? You better not draw it on my back.
Draw. I hope you do.
On my back. On my back.
I fell.
That's a really bad one though.
Wipe that off now.
It looks like a cross.
Over PJ.
You done. You done. Look at that.
Look at it. Look. It's not even.
Yo.
Let me see.
See the bed.
It looks like an explosion.
You look at this and stuff?
It looks like a freaking.
Why?
It looks like a cross.
Oh,
Who said that?
I really hope you get trapped down there.
I'm gonna kill you.
Why would you say
All right, we got everybody up?
My helmet keeps falling out.
Guys, I found
Too much
clay.
paperwork for them.
It depends what you're doing.
Cave exploring.
Well, for some spots it's better if you have got long legs.
Hey! I have one
I
leg.
didn't even take a video of it.
Like this room here,
Do
you have,
Okay.
there's a hole there that you can go down goes that way. Belly crawl all the way
Get Mike in there.
till you get to a room that has this chimney. It's about this big around and about 7 feet in the air.
You are what?
It's
We're
like
not gonna do that. It's tough to do.
Yo.
It's really tough to do. Okay?
Where'd my play go?
There's a hole over here that you can slide down. It's hard to get down because you've got to hold on to things and there's nothing to hold on to as you go down. You kind of have to drop
Isn't it
down
like
to
10 feet down?
Hmm?
Never mind.
And that's walking passage all the way. We're going to go behind me, this crack here.
What? No, stop.
And as you're facing down the crack on your left-hand side, you'll see a horizontal crack in the wall. It's about the height of your toes. You're going to stick your toes in that, both toes in that, and then lean against the other side, against the wall. So you're sort of like doing a Batman style shimmy down the wall.
Oh, I did this last time.
That's why I'm going to go first, so that the person behind me can watch and do the same thing, and the person behind me can watch and do the same thing. Take care of the person behind you.
There's more. Hold on.
Where is my partner? I'm like, where's Caillou?
My partner's leaving me.
How you gotta go back?
Alopecia hates me.
Right there, you gotta wait.
Bro's right there.
I guess I'll have to do
I want some more
Where's
fries.
your
Okay,
partner at?
Rihanna, are you coming?
Lock in.
Alopecia is her partner. I'm your partner now.
Oh my god. I just got forgot.
Give me like in
Oh, you don't have a partner no more, man.
My partner's over there. I gotta go get her.
What are you doing, Caillou?
You're not taking my partner.
Caillou was flirting with me the whole drive there.
Wait, what happened?
You saw it.
Oh yeah, how you feeling?
Rihanna's my partner.
Oh my god, I feel like I'm gonna fall through this hole.
Don't fall through the hole.
We.
Anxiety, stop!
It's wet.
Because it's a cave. Like, walk in. Talking about some why is it wet?
I was about to like step right down there.
Where are all these rocks? Like, why are there so many rocks in here?
There's clay in here.
Why are there so many rocks in here?
Because it's a cave.
Cave's not supposed to have rocks, so it's just like a wall.
Yeah, like,
Yeah,
what's
that's
with all
probably
these
just
Like, they have no business being in here. Whoa, I could definitely fall down there.
If you use this thing as a handhold, it's really good. Okay.
That's why my glasses go down there.
Tell it to everybody.
Yo, what are we doing?
Use this.
Guys, use this as a hold.
Use this as a hold when you're going down.
Why do you think this
Or
would be
just
fun?
lean against the other wall, bro.
My legs aren't long enough for this. I'm flying.
Yo, where did it go?
Come on around. We're going to collect everybody in here.
What am I actually doing with my life?
Where's alopecia?
Oh, I know.
Come on through. Let's get everybody in this room.
Bro, when I kept going
My
down
partner
the
hates
same
me, bro.
giant rock 4 times in a row. I went 3
Yes,
full
that's
laps.
his rock.
Same
Somebody point
giant
at
rock.
my, at my hand.
How?
Okay, it's
My
good.
partner keeps leaving me.
I keep shifting partners.
Bro, just drop down, it's
She's
fine.
my partner now.
No, she's my partner.
Oh,
I'll try to. I'll try to get in the front.
Guys, can I get some?
It's so cute and it's so cute and cozy in here. Unlike the other rooms.
I was calling for May for help and she didn't hear me.
Oh my bad.
I was like, May!
There's so much clay.
Like N-A-Z. I was like, May! May!
This is so
I'm gonna leave my
all right, let's get everybody in here. Come on through. Come on back here.
This is so comfy. I'm so comfortable.
Come on back.
Actually,
Come on back over
I
here.
know.
I thought it was gonna be.
Wait till you get.
Wait, so is this the army crawl space? I didn't
Let's get everybody in
Not
here.
at all.
It's way further. Not way further, but further.
You have to go down
Do we
there?
really have to get
Oh,
everybody
we found a
there?
passage on our thing. It was like we were traveling and we go around, but instead there was a small spot we can go through.
Wait, you have to climb upwards and it was super tiny.
I don't know if it's upwards, but yeah, it's tiny.
All right, I think we got most of the people. All right, this one is
I did
optional.
it last year.
You don't have to do this. A lot of people think it's a lot of fun. This has a pinch about this far. It's not that far, okay? And you got to get in and get around the rock. And then it's a belly crawl about 20 feet till you get to the other side of this. You can stand up in this walking passage. Okay, so you go in,
You have to get out that way too.
I'm a little too big for that.
go out that way. Yes,
I'm a little-
you go through.
I'm a little.
Belly crawl, you go through to the right, belly crawl, stand up and then go to the left. If we're gonna follow the path down until you get to a Y and
You first,
see
I'll go
something
behind
coming
you.
on the left-hand side.
I'm not
You're
getting
gonna wait
this
right
lost.
there, okay? Now, like I said, this is optional. If you wanna do it, that's cool. I'm gonna get a video of you going in. If you don't wanna do it, that's okay. If you wanna just take a look at it and see if you wanna decide.
Oh, yeah, I want to decide. I want to see how much
That's okay too. Okay, so who's gonna do this?
I want to see how much space there is.
I'll do it. I'll do it.
Let me see how much space there is. Wait, down there?
Yeah.
You first.
Check, check.
Go, give.
Go give is insane.
Go Gibby.
That's not that. You have plenty of space.
Someone
Okay.
said, wait, can I see?
I want to go first.
I'll
I'll go
station.
first. Can I go first? Wait, can I look down?
I'll go
No,
third.
I'll
I'll go
station.
second.
I'm going behind. I'll station.
I'll go third then.
I'm going second. I'm going second.
I should have on the high pitch.
Come on back out.
Hold on, about to fall. Leave me.
Let's get out of the hole here so that, oh,
Wait, I just want to.
let's get out of the hole. So the,
We going this way?
to the left. You're gonna go to the right and then straight.
I'm going
And
second.
then you're gonna walk to the
I
left.
don't know.
Is this like, is this the optional part?
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's optional.
Oh, I'm not doing that.
Right.
That's like.
I fear I'm
How
too
much space
scared
is there?
for that.
It's not bad at all, actually.
I just want to look. I just
No,
want to
left foot. It's
Hold
not
on, I'm
bad.
going. Let me go.
Wait, I just want. Can I look first?
Oh, yeah.
Hold on. Let me go. I'm
And you can look
Wait
front.
till
I'm
her
not
feet are
there.
gone. Wait till her feet are gone.
Oh.
Oh, we to the right, right?
Yeah,
Right and then walk left.
Okay.
then crawl.
Wait, like you just once you fall out of that pace, it's just an open area.
Yeah, just stand in the walking passage.
Where do you go? Just to the left and it connects. I don't think she's gonna. I think she's too tall.
Yeah. I'm going the
Wait,
other
what if
way.
you go head first?
Nope.
Oh, come
I'll
on.
go. I'm going after. Well, right now. Do you want to look?
You did this before.
I wasn't this tall before.
So,
I grew 8 inches.
babe, Ellen
I
does
didn't
it.
grow any inches.
Then let Ellen do it.
Excuses.
Excuse me.
You're not going anyway.
Go.
You want to go?
I'm not gonna go yet. I'm not ready.
Take your time. Take your time and look at it. If you want to change,
So you
if
get
you
sick of
want
time, I
to
get
wait
peer
till later,
pressured. Right.
I'm not.
you have to come back out this way. So
I just like hyped up.
You got this. You got this. You got this.
I'm not going.
Wow. Nobody hyping her up. Like,
Yes, partner.
Yeah.
Can you go after me so you can hype me up?
Okay.
If she has to get out, she has to be able to get out, so we have to move out of this.
We should climb back out.
It's not going to.
Well, only if she doesn't, if she changes her mind, she does.
I'm coming.
Oh.
There she goes. Okay, wait till her feet disappear.
I'm going after
This is nothing like Minecraft.
There you go. She's gone.
Caillou's
I'll think about it. I'll think about it. I might do it.
I thought we were gonna feel like.
Yeah, that's my
Minecraft.
partner. I'm not going
I
down.
thought we were gonna feel like. So even if
He's so tiny. Like he's. My legs are too long for
He's doing
this.
it. He's
That's my
doing it.
partner.
He's-
Caillou, how much space?
Your legs are long, look at me.
Caillou!
I'm screwed then.
You have a lot of space.
You
You
got
look like
this,
he's
go on.
stuck. Wait, Caillou,
No, I'm
you have a lot
going
of
later.
space.
Just wait,
Okay.
just wait.
I'm doing it.
I'll eventually
Caillou was moving
go.
super slow. Like, let's go.
How long is like the
I'm looking comfy here.
Next.
Exactly.
How long is that little right and then 20 feet?
And then belly crawl 20 feet,
Adrian's
and then you can stand up.
You have to clutch.
I have no idea.
You got this. You got this. You're tiny. You got
It's
it.
easy.
Go, queen.
Yeah, you got it.
This.
Yay!
I'm doing it. Oh, you got
Who's next?
You go next.
You.
Okay.
And I'll go next.
Stay
You
out
go
of the
after
hole.
me.
Stay out of the hole, just so that we can,
Go after me. Make sure I get there.
we don't cramp. Okay, next.
Okay, Tori.
I go.
Should
Whoa.
like the adults go
Whoa.
last?
Whoa.
Whoa.
Yes.
Should the adults
Do
go
it.
Like I'm not built for cave diving.
I go next and you go after me.
Who's your partner, Chase?
He down there. He just went.
I'll get going, dude.
My partner's all the way gone already.
Okay,
Roll your
next.
partner.
My partner hates me.
Chance, right?
Yeah, there's 1 in 10 chance.
We're up here.
Oh, is that like the easy way?
Go, go, go. You can.
That's easy, bro.
Okay.
Yeah.
We out.
Should we go to the right after this?
Hello.
Hey.
Hey, cuties.
Oh my God, I see the light.
How do I?
If he can't fit, I can't fit.
I don't know how to.
Same. That's what I'm trying to say.
Wait, come back.
Go, you got that. Yeah.
There you go, Jace. Come on.
I'm not doing
Stay with your buddy.
that.
Come on,
Same.
buddy.
I can't maneuver my body. I'm too tall.
Jace, put your left arm in. Don't hold
The
on to the
claw
rock.
really isn't that long.
Just both. Yeah. Just go for
Way
it.
down, all the way down.
Exactly. There you go. There you
I'm a
go.
little thirsty now.
No.
What are you gonna drink? The cave water?
Don't
Where'd
drink
she
the
go?
big one.
Please, no.
I'm not doing that. There
I'm
she is.
not
Yeah.
fitting.
Can you try leg foot first?
Okay.
I can't go feet first.
How are you gonna
next?
crawl?
Do it.
If you can't fit,
I'm
how am I
too
gonna
tall for
fit?
that.
How am I gonna fit
I'm
that?
just looking. I'm not doing that.
Exactly, you're not going to. You're too tall.
I'm taller than him.
Try, right? Would it fit for me? Yeah, exactly.
Is that
I can't turn. I'm not turning.
Miguel?
Oh my God, you're so small.
Sir, you already went, right?
I know you already went.
Okay, just wait till the feet disappear and then we can go in.
How do you get down there so
I'll
you
say shot.
Oh my God.
It's fast.
I got big shot.
Oh,
You can fit.
I might try. I think I'm gonna try.
You can when you're going, you gotta go like head first.
Right now.
Guys, if you go, make sure
All right.
straight.
Oh yeah, straight.
Because otherwise you can't see anything.
I'm not gonna lie.
Alright, I'm going back.
He has.
Guys, that bounced up
If you can fit, I can fit. If he can fit, I can fit.
That bounced back.
If Alan
You
can
have to lay
fit, I
down
can fit.
flat.
I love that.
Okay.
I think if I can
All
fit,
the way
he can
down.
fit.
Sorry.
Oh yeah, that's ground.
No, I can't.
Your feet kind of have to stick
I'm
out.
also an inch taller than him. I'm 5'9", he's 5'8".
Oh yeah. There you go. You just got to get the.
Can we leave him?
There you go.
Okay, wait.
Oh, yes, I am. That's why I'm not.
We can do this.
They all up in the front for.
You guys got it.
Oh,
There
we
you
got
go.
this.
That's the tough part.
We'll just
You
go
got it,
like
bro.
Yeah.
We did it.
Try
I'm not
again.
doing all that. Right. Just.
There's more people going.
Do it for the bed. Do it for the bed.
I'm
Yeah,
a
for the
little
bed,
too
bro.
big
For the
for
bed.
that, bro. For the bed.
That made me
Too
back.
big.
I was there not. You there's so much space.
Maybe I'm better.
Give me.
Yo, what is that? Yo.
I was
You got this.
Play with it.
He's doing the
Keep
hard part.
going.
Oh, I'm not going bad, but you
Bro, I want to try one more time.
Yes.
Try one
That's
more
what I'm gonna do.
That's the spirit.
If I can't do it one more time, then I'm going the easy way.
We're going right side.
Yeah,
Yeah.
to the right and then
Wait, I'm not doing it.
belly crawl.
I thought we were already belly
Can I
crawling.
go now? Or is he still? I think he's still there.
Go ahead.
The way we're the only.
Okay.
Maybe you can go after him if you want.
Okay.
Cause like I'm not going down.
Go, Gibby.
You got this. You got this.
You got it, bro. You got it.
You got Martin
your
We believe in you.
Bend that back.
Be flexible.
Get out of here.
Lay down flat.
Use your other arm. Get your other arm in. Get your other arm
All
in
the way down on the
first.
I'm
ground.
not doing.
Get both arms in first. Bruh.
I'm not doing that. No.
Okay,
I
but.
want to try one more time.
Go, go, go. Get both arms in.
You're not even laying down. Lay down all the way. Get your feet up
I
high.
have the same problem.
Gotta put your feet up high out of the hole.
Give me it's okay. I'm not doing it.
I'm not doing that, bro.
Let me
I
try.
could do the other one last year, but I'm not. I
All
did
right.
this last year.
Okay,
I'm not,
that's
can't
fine.
do it
It's okay.
this
We're
year.
going for it.
You did that last year. You small one.
Who said that?
We know. We all know who said that.
Too big this year, bro.
Well, we really are some divers.
So like, how are we gonna get out?
Lay down all the way.
I don't understand you like.
Please comment, like, and share. It helps others find this video.